Alright, happy hump day, everybody. Hopefully, everyone's having a good trading week. I know I am. I just wanted to post my view on gold. Hopefully, Tim, this is okay. But gold is my baby. This is the one I study the most. If you look now, this is a monthly chart, right? This one's clean. My other chart's all marked up. But if you look at this, gold's currently in this kind of like range right here, right? Price keeps staying in this little box. I think it's like a 20,000 pip range. So what that means for us, a little bit bigger than that actually. I guess if you go by where price closed at, it's kind of closer to 20. So what that means for us is that eventually, right, it's been in this move for a couple years now. Eventually it's going to break one way or the other. Now, with the current state of the U.S. economy, I'm not going to venture to guess that it is going to be to the downside, but more than likely to the upside, right? So that's just an overall picture, right? We know price is struggling from this point if we look left. So we'll just draw a basic line. It's not going to be a box or anything. This is not too accurate. Price closes the most and bounces off this point right here. Okay. Then if we go down to the weekly, right? I guess we still got some old markups on here. I haven't used this chart in forever. All right. Let me hide this actually. Right. So if we look, to me, this is clear as day, right? It was struggling up here. As I was telling Tim, right, like history repeats itself, right? So every time it gets to the end of the year, gold tends to go up until about March, April, comes back down to the end of the year. Same thing, right? Gets close to December, November, December, starts to go up, and then we're getting a little bit of a drop, so it's probably gonna come down a little bit from here, right? So I see a massive weekly engulfing. What that leads me to believe next is that, hey, probably get some pullback, but then further downside. So I don't do anything on this chart really. If you want to, you could draw a box, right? If you need to. I like to keep my charts kind of clean, so if you need to, you can draw a box right here, where price kind of, previous resistance, right? Or previous support broke through, now it's future resistance. So we go daily. This is where the fun part is, right? So I'm a big fib guy. I like to find my fib spots. If I don't have them, I don't trade. From here to here, right? This is our weekly resistance spot. Okay, broke through for a little bit, came back down. Now I was testing it again. And so right now, it's called the golden fib for a reason, right? Gold struggled here on the daily at the gold spot. Look left. This is where it broke through before. Look left again. Struggled here before. And as we can see, it's starting to fall apart again, right? So what we do next, we got our market, we got our weekly zone covered here. We know that this is a very key level, right? Not even looking at any of the other stuff. Don't need to know numbers or weekly, like none of that stuff. All we need to know now is this zone right here, major player. Then it broke, right? If it didn't break here, we'd still be in a bullish market, but because it broke this previous level here, now it's in a bearish market, right? Even if it's for a short time being, currently in a bear market, okay? I have other indicators and stuff that I go by on confirmation points also to let me know if bears or sellers in the market. And then we go down to 4 hour, right? Overall picture on the 4 hour, we start seeing higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, or just a high, low, higher low, higher high. Then we had a higher low, but now we have a lower high, and then we're finally getting a new lower low in this sequence, right? And so what I did, I drew a counter trend line, right? Counter trend line. I like trend lines; they help. I don't have the pro version because I don't feel like spending the money. But I drew a counter trend line, right? So for me, 1, 2 running through, bam, bam running through. For me, kind of it's struggling right here, right? This is a key level again. Guess what? Where's the key at? In the weekly zone, right? So coming up here, boom, struggling right here. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback, but then I'm probably going to catch this one on the heavy side when it breaks through here, right? And my take profit targets are usually down here for dailies. So that gives us, let's see what we got here. We got the potential, right? Potential, nothing's guaranteed. Potential for 5,000 pip, one there. And we got potential for 7,000 pip, one there, right? So that's what I'm looking for. I need to see, it's currently showing me that we got seller's exhaustion real quick. So usually I jump down to a smaller time frame, get a little bit more in detail, and look, it's probably coming back up, right? It's exhaustion, exhaustion, exhaustion. Probably coming back up to about this level here, which if you draw another fib from here to here, that's probably a 61.8 because it's the golden fib zone, right? Golden fibs for gold. What does it link up to? Roughly the 50 or 61.8, right? So that's my bias on gold. Hopefully, guys, that helps you out a little bit. Tim, hopefully this was okay. Let me know if it's not. Cool. Peace. Have a good week.